So welcome back to another tutorial, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to start a new Next.js application. So I'm assuming that you are a beginner in programming, so I'm going to show you in two ways how to start a Next.js application or project. One is a global install of Next.js onto your PC, and the second one is an alternative on which you don't need to install Next.js into your PC. So I'm also going to explain these terms global, the meaning of global install, in a simplest way so that you won't be confused in the future in case you meet them. So by that being said, let's start our tutorial. Okay, so first thing, navigate to where you want to create your new Next.js application. So in my case, I want to create the projects in desktop, then a folder called Next.js. So after opening your Next.js, then you can create a new folder. You can use this icon or right click, then navigate to new, then folder, then call the folder app1. Okay, this is a way you can create a new folder. Also, this is a way you can use CMD or your command prompt to create a new folder. So on your search bar, type in CMD or command prompts in full. Open your CMD. Let me expand this. After opening your CMD, navigate to where you want to create your folder. So in my case, the folder in which I want to create new folder for the application was under desktop, then / next. So for you to navigate, you use change directory cd, then we go to the desktop. So we navigate to the desktop, then / then the folder name was next, then press enter. So we are under the path user, then on the key desktop, then next. That's where I want to create the next or the second folder I want to create the Next.js application in. After navigating to that, you can create a new folder by this command mkdir, then the directory name or folder name, let's call it app2. Then navigate to the app2 by cd app2. Very easy, guys. That's the way you can create and navigate to the folder using CMD. So on this app2, I want to start or create a new Next.js application globally. Let me show you guys. Here is the app2 that we have just created. It's empty, and we want to initialize the Next.js without a global install. Okay, let's go back to our CMD. Here's our CMD. So if you want to create or you want to start a new Next.js without a global install, you are going to use npx. So npx is not package execute, and there is the command npx create -next, then -app, then at latest, then the application name, you are going to call it my app2. Let's call it my app2 so that they can match with the folder name. Then press enter. For you to create a Next.js application without a global install, we use node package execute. But if you want to install globally onto your PC, you use npm, node package manager. Okay, so, and if you are confused between these two terms, you can click on this video to learn more. So would you like to use TypeScript? Actually agree to everything. Nothing will affect your application, and it's going to take some few minutes or seconds depending on your PC to install new dependencies for your project. And as it's installing the dependencies, I can show you guys how to create a Next.js I'll start a new Next.js application using a global install method. Okay, so don't be confused. So in this method 2 or method 1, you have used npx node package execute to create a new Next.js application without a global install. Okay, so we did not install Next.js globally into our computer. So in the next method, we are going to install Next.js globally into our computer, so that in case you want to start a new Next.js project, you can start it offline without being connected to an internet. On your sidebar, open the CMD, open a new window of CMD, also navigate to the project folder, so CD, desktop, then /app, next, then /app1. So under app1, we are going to initialize or start or install Next.js globally into our computer. Okay, so to install Next.js globally into our computer, we are going to use npm node package manager. So npm is the command, npm install, then -g, okay, install space -g. This -g means global, then space create, then -next, the dependency of the package you are going to use, then -app. Okay, so previously I had installed the dependencies or the package Next.js. So in your case, it might be different, but in my case now is showing changed one package in 16 seconds to mean I'd already installed Next.js globally. So after installing Next.js globally onto your computer, you can create a new Next.js project using this command. So this command works offline, so you can disconnect your Wi-Fi and try it. Yeah, if you don't believe me. So this is the command. Command is create -next, then -app, then the application name. So we are going to call it my app 2. Okay, so also in this method, agree to everything. Nothing will affect your project, and it takes a few minutes or seconds depending on your computer speed. So after it's done, I'll be back and show you how to run your first Next.js application. So these are the two projects, of which the first one we used a global install of Next.js into our computer. Then the second one we used the alternative method of creating a new project without a global install of Next.js. So to open your VS Code, right click on the project folder, then click open with code, then it will automatically open the project on VS Code. Also, you can use your CMD, so your command prompt. So navigate to your project directory, desktop, then /next, then app1. Then you can use this shortcut. So the shortcut is called space dot, then press enter. So also this is another way you can open the project using your CMD, and the other one of which you right click on the project folder to open it on VS Code. So this is our project. As you can see, these are the default Next.js dependencies. So the application is kept under the source folder. As you can see, pages, to run this project, click on terminal, then new terminal, and if you are not seeing this terminal option, you can click on the three dots appearing up here, then terminal will appear. So after opening your terminal, you can run this project. First, let's navigate to the project directory by using cd. So also the terminal uses the same commands as the command prompt. So to navigate to our application folder, we use cd, then my app, or the application folder name. In this case, it was my app 2. Okay, then we can run it using this command npm node package manager run. So we use npm run dev to run Next.js projects locally, okay, in our computer. So after clicking enter to open, it will run this application on our local host. So let's wait.